Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. So go to Facebook first. Click on top right corner 3 dash icon. Now scroll down and you will find settings and privacy. Click this one and go to settings, the first one. Scroll down and you can see here on the top a box which is account center. Just click on that. Now you can see here personal details. Just go to personal details. Now you can see here account ownership and control option. Just click on that. Now go to deactivation or deletion. Choose your profile. Now you can see here two options, which is deactivate account and delete account. Just select your delete account and go continue. Click on continue. Select the reason why you are deleting your account. Select this one and continue. Now you can see here a continue option. Just go to continue. Write your password here. Sorry. Now just click not now and you can click here delete your account. See, your account is deleted. So this is how you can delete your Facebook account easily. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video.